Welcome to this tutorial on how to create and submit a reconciliation on SARS. Now that we have created a tax certificate in our previous video, we can now complete the reconciliation. Click on Reconciliations on the left menu. Click on the drop-down to select the period of reconciliation. There are 3 options to choose from in order to prepare your reconciliation. Accept data. This is to accept the data from the monthly declarations submitted on e-filing. Reinstate ETI. This is to reinstate your ETI declaration you have mistakenly deleted on reconciliation. Own values. This is to update your monthly values you have submitted on your monthly declaration. Click on Accept Data to start the reconciliation process. Type in your e-filing username and password, then click Login. The employer information will be pre-populated: employer name, pay-as-you-earn number, SDL number if registered for SDL, and the UIF number. Complete the contact person's details. Navigate to the Financial Particulars tab to verify the monthly values, payment values, and to confirm that the tax certificate values have pulled through. State the reason for any declaration discrepancies under Reason for Over or Under Statement of Declaration. You can save your reconciliation by clicking File at the top, then Save. Your form data will be saved successfully. Click OK to close. To submit the reconciliation to SARS, click File at the top, then click File and Close. The status of your reconciliation will reflect Ready to File. On this screen, you have the option to open your reconciliation by clicking Open Return. You also have the ability to refresh your reconciliation. Additionally, you can view the summary report, submit to SARS, or download the PDF reconciliation form. Finally, a full resubmission request can also be initiated from this screen. Ready to submit? Click on the ellipses again under Action, then click on Submit to SARS. The system will initiate the validation process. In the event of a validation failure, please refer to the pre-submission validation report to review any failures or warnings. Click OK to close the message. Then click View under Pre-Submission Validation Report to view the reasons for failures and warnings. Please select Failed at the top to review the failures or select Warnings to review any warnings. You will need to visit the Employer Admin or Employee Admin sections to address and rectify the errors before attempting to submit again. Go to the submission screen again and click on Submit to SARS. Enter your e-filing username and password and then click on Login. A message, Successful Submission, will appear. Click OK to close. The status of the submission will reflect Submitted to SARS. You can click Update to check the submission updates from SARS. Re-enter your e-filing username and password, then click on Login. After getting the submission updates from SARS, the status will change to Accepted. To obtain the Employee Tax Validation Report, select the ETV Report option, then click on Download Report. Log in using your e-filing username and password. You can click on the PAYE dashboard to view the submission dashboard. To generate the tax certificates, click on the Generate option. Choose the tax certificates you wish to generate. Then click on Export. Select the location on your computer to save the certificates. You can then view the certificates from the saved location. Thanks for watching. Please stay updated and check our YouTube channel for more tutorials. SARS at your service.